how to make a text bigger. This is about be really helping you through the progress that is still to be about right here. So what is about to be really here, and what here on about be determining for what it's going to be about to be really satisfying for making a text bigger. So what we can do is about follow this video is about to be designing panel and click on site styles. Then site styles here is about to be really choose the text element, heading and paragraph. Then increase the font size and the text bigger. So click on the font here or the text forms and customize. Start to make it bigger by going to make some kind of effects or selecting options. So we go see here which kind of thing is that it can make border thicker like this, or go to the fonts and make it customize and then start to increase the text bigger. So that is all about here to help you on this video.